अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं वाजिद रहमान एडवोकेट। आज जो हम टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो है हॉस्टाइल विटनेस। कि हॉस्टाइल विटनेस है क्या चीज़ और इसको हॉस्टाइल विटनेस को कैसे हॉस्टाइल डिक्लेयर किया जाता है, इसका सारा प्रोसीजर है और मैं आपके सामने पेश करूँगा। फर्स्ट जो है हॉस्टाइल विटनेस है क्या चीज़। What is hostile witness? A witness who is antagonistic to the party calling them and being unwillingly to tell the truth may have to be asked leading questions. A hostile witness may be defined as one who, from the manner in which he gives evidence within which is included the fact that he is willing to go back upon previous statement made by him, shows that he is not desirous of telling the truth to the court, where therefore one comes across a witness of this description. हॉस्टाइल विटनेस वो होता है जो अपने पहले बयान से मुकर जाए या जो कोई फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मुद्दई या मुदाले है जो विटनेस कोर्ट में पेश करता है वो उसके खिलाफ बयान दे दे तो कोर्ट को एप्लीकेशन देता है हॉस्टाइल विटनेस डिक्लेयर करने के लिए। तो इस पर बाकायदा समाअत होती है। जब वो उसको डिक्लेयर किया जाता है तो उसको क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन का राइट दिया जाता है कि आप इसको क्रॉस एग्जामिन करें। इसकी ओरिजिनेशन इस तरह है कि बोस सुपेरियो hostile witness a critical analysis of key aspects hitherto ignored in the term hostile witness was first introduced in the common law to provide adequate safeguard against the contravenience of an artful witness who willfully by hostile witness ruin the cause of the party calling such a witness। इसके बाद जो है अंडर विच सेक्शन हॉस्टाइल या आर्टिकल हॉस्टाइल विटनेस डिक्लेयर अंडर 150 कानून शहादत 1984 एंड 151 कानून शहादत 1984 डिक्लेयर्ड हॉस्टाइल विटनेस। आर्टिकल 150 question by party to his own witness, the court may in its discretion permit the person who calls a witness to put any question to him which might be put in cross examination by the adverse party। जब विटनेस को हॉस्टाइल डिक्लेयर किया जाता है तो आप कौन से क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो, कौन से नहीं कर सकते हो। व्हाट हैपन्स इफ आई एम रूल्ड एज a hostile witness? Normally, if a solicitor or barrister calls you as a witness, they can attack your credibility or cross-examine you as if you were a witness for the other side. They cannot ask questions about or introduce evidence of your bad character, your past convictions, any prior inconsistent statements, any bias. Also, the calling barrister cannot ask leading questions to get you to say what they want. If the judge decides you are a hostile witness, the barrister calling you can cross-examine you. एक क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं। Ask leading question in an effort to get cross-examine you on the statement you made before the trial. If you are cross-examined on your previous statement, that statement is only used as evidence of your inconsistency. It is not proof of the facts contained in this statement. अब है आर्टिकल 151 impeaching credit of witness. The credit of a witness may be impeached in the following ways by the adverse party or with the consent of the court by the party who calls him. First जो है by the evidence of person who testify that they from their knowledge of the witness believe him to be unworthy of credit. Second, by proof that the witness has been bribed or has accepted the offer of a bribe or has received any other corrupt inducement to give his evidence. By proof of former statement inconsistent with any part of his evidence which is liable to be contradicted. When a man is prosecuted for rape or an attempt to ravish, or it may be shown that the prosecutor was of generally immoral character. Explanation: a witness declaring another witness to be unworthy of credit may not, upon his statement, upon his examination in chief, give reasons for his belief, but he may be asked his reason in cross-examination, then the answer which he gives cannot be contradicted. Thus, if they are false, he may afterwards be charged with giving false evidence. इसके बाद जो है हम कुछ अथॉरिटीज़ आपके सामने पेश करेंगे जो इसकी बुनियाद पर हॉस्टाइल विटनेस डिक्लेयर किया जाता है। फर्स्ट अथॉरिटी है 2014 PCRLJ 374, PLD 2013 लाहौर 178, PLD 2013 लाहौर 178, 1991 MLD 2455, 1991 PCRLJ 2274, 1998 CLC 1148, 2009 YLR 691। ये कुछ अथॉरिटीज़ थे जो मैंने आपके सामने पेश किए। इसी के साथ साथ हमारा लेक्चर हॉस्टाइल विटनेस ख़त्म हो जाता है। सारे व्यूअर्स से रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।